What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing the mystery box of misfortune.
Oh no.
And we're here with our friends Cam and Jeff.
What's up?
We're here with Manic TV. These guys live here.
So the rules are each of us are going to be getting in one of these boxes while one person is going to pick a box to pour a disgusting concoction of death into that. It's going to get progressively worse. Stay to the end because the last one's going to be a disgusting fish.
It's going to be bad.
Chum bucket.
Pig feet.
There's pig feet in it too. It's going to be gross.
We're going to determine the order of who actually is pouring by picking numbers out of Justin's hands.
So you want to make sure that you get number 5 so you can be the one pouring the most disgusting stuff.
Yeah.
Right. Oh man, don't open it yet.
Also, there's 6 things in here, so one of them is a dud.
Yeah.
You don't get to pour at all.
If you get the dud, you don't get a pour.
Not looking. Oh,
Someone dropped one.
One dropped.
No! I got the dud.
Yes!
Chris got the dud.
I got 5! Yeah!
I got 2.
No fish for me.
1.
I got 4.
I got number 3. You just have to suffer in the boxes.
Hopefully you don't get chosen each time.
Yes.
Alright, let's do this!
I got number 1, so I'm going to be pouring first. And we're starting off pretty easy, so I have a water bucket that I'm going to be going to fill up while they're going to be hiding in the box.
It's gonna be
Ice cold
cold
water.
It's gonna be cold.
Put a ton of ice cubes.
Freezing. Got the bucket ready to go outside. Which one's gonna get wrecked? There's 5 choices. Oh, I see someone's feet. Huh. I think I'm gonna try to find Nick. Hello? No! Oh no!
Yes! Yes!
Andrew got blasted!
They were opening my box for a second. I got so scared.
Really?
Oh.
You idiot!
That was my feet.
That was your
You didn't
feet?
pick it.
Oh my gosh. Your feet just look so weird, so.
Joy, you went right out my box. Round 2, guys. We have some all-purpose flour. If Andrew gets it, it's gonna stick to him.
Stick to it.
If you pick me, I quit.
All right, I'm going inside. I'm going
tackle you
inside.
so hard if you pick me.
Guys, let's go.
I'm picking the one Andrew chose because he's not going to pick the same one twice.
Yes, he is.
All right, boys.
Are you ready? Which box should I choose here? I don't know. Flour kind of reminds me of the number 4. I don't know why. So we're choosing number 4. Let's get too tricky.
No! Stop!
It's it! Stop! Oh! 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 Yeah! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Yes!
Oh my gosh!
Look at him.
Oh!
Hey, Andrew, is it Christmas already?
Oh my gosh!
You said you were gonna tackle him.
Hey! Hey!
I'm round number 3, which is slime. So I'm putting this in the bucket.
Oh. This is actually just glue, so someone's getting sticky.
All right, let's go hide.
I call Xbox. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Mine! Why are you distracted?
Oh. Wait, okay, I'll get with the same one.
Let's go.
I've got the slime. Who's gonna get it? Let's see. Who's gonna be the best slime target? I really want to get Jeffifa for really messing me up. Well, I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. To pick the very best. It. Slime.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes! Jeffrey!
No!
Jeffrey! No! Slime!
Oh, it looks like boogers. Oh no!
Poor Jeffrey. Me and Nick were fighting over this box, and he came in and stole it.
Oh.
Yeah! You look so colorful. You look so Nickelodeon. How do you feel?
Got you.
Wait!
Slimy!
That's what. Because you got Andrew, so.
I am round number 4. We got 32 eggs. So some of these are gonna break. You're gonna get real yolky.
Are you gonna step in it to crack them?
I may leave some hard so they crack on whoever I pour them.
That is a lot of eggs.
Oh.
It's mixed with slime too. Look at Jeffrey over there. Little nub.
Alright.
Please clean me up!
Who wants eggs? I'll give whoever wants it.
Not me.
Not me.
Not me.
Not me. So Jeffrey?
Jeffrey does.
Alright, I think Jeffrey wants
Jeffrey
the eggs.
wants some eggs.
See, look at him over there. He's waving. Jeffrey.
How you doing there, Jeff?
Who's about to get egged?
Let's just stand here for a second and observe the boxes. This box looks very odd. I've made my decision. It's gonna be a quick surprise.
No! No! Stop it! No! Don't you no! 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 Oh!
Get eggy, bro.
Eggs. You and him are tied now. 2-2. He has to get the chum bucket.
I think I'm not gonna have to get anything dumped on me.
Oh yeah. Dude, so lucky.
It's my turn.
Nick got number 5, so he gets to pour the chum bucket. What is in here? Oh, stop. That looks so nasty.
Take a whiff.
No, never. I will not. What's in there?
There is tuna, clam juice, sardines, and what else?
Pig's feet and
Pig's
juice.
feet.
The worst one, guys.
Like, absolutely.
You have all been waiting for. It's
Guys,
here.
guys, leave a like right now.
At that time, people would say, like.
Leave a comment right now. Who do you think's gonna get it? Andrew? Chris? Jeffrey again? Me? Or Matthew?
He looks triggered.
I better get this done before he falls apart. 3, 2, 1.
What? Fuck. Oh, yuck.
Let's go see who gets this mess. Oh, boys. Who's ready for the seafood special? A lot of these boxes look really clean. Nothing has been done to them. Want this one? Or this one? No. I'm gonna go for this one.
No! You're joking me! You're serious! This is a joke! Oh my god! Yes!
If you stand in here, it won't leak.
Yeah, get in the box, Jeffrey.
Hey, Jeff, remember that this is JStu's video, so you're not getting paid to do this.
Jeffrey! No. Not on my head.
You have to sit down.
You have to.
You got this.
Jeffrey, sit down.
No! Take a seat!
It reeks. Sit down.
Don't.
Sit down.
Everybody back up.
Hey, Jeff,
No,
don't let the pig foot hit you in the face, too.
I'm gonna remember that, Chris. Please don't blow my head, please. It's act of mercy. Act of mercy.
Just close your eyes.
Act of mercy. Act of mercy. Act of mercy. Oh!
Wait, stand in the car.
Oh my god.
Oh, it smells. It smells so bad. Get it off. Get it off of him.
Dude, I can smell that.
Guys, please go subscribe to Cam and Jeff because, Jeff, what do you have to say?
He earned it, guys.
Yeah, he earned
He earned
it. Round of applause.
Let's give him a round of applause, guys.
In my eye.
Any final words? All right.
All right.
Jeff, anything else to say, guys?
Nope. Leave a like. Don't forget to laugh daily. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Love you.
Ah, no! 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 Run!